mess I got back here. Hey guys, welcome back to being CRC for another big unboxing. Got a Kyosho box here. Box says Mini Z on it. I can guarantee you there's no Mini Z's in this box. Unless they gave me a free bonus. Which they might as well keep them because I don't want no Mini nothing. Don't like that little shit. Cardboard. This is right straight from Kyosho, America. Been wanting one of these for a long time. This is not exactly what I wanted, but it's what's available now. And the box art makes me pretty happy that I got it. This will certainly get the job done. Time to hold the cardboard out of this dump again. Got me the Outlaw Rampage Pro, ready to run. It's a new offering from them. I've seen them from Japan for about twice the money that they're asking for these, and I thought somebody was just getting pro kits and painting them up and blowing them out for a ridiculous price over there. I didn't realize these were going to be an actual release. I still would like to get an Outlaw Rampage Pro kit because I want the chrome wheels and metal skid plate. This, to me, does not look like $100 more than the cheap version of the Outlaw Rampage. Other than those have an ugly paint job on them, but I don't know. I still want my chrome wheels, god dang it. Kind of wanted a Rampage since I first saw them, but I had never seen one in person. I just kind of liked the looks of it. And then I got looking at the rear suspension and how the motor mounts right on the rear axle, and that was kind of hokey, not really that cool. Oh, that cured me of wanting one. And then I was down at the expo outside of Elmira, New York, with the New York RC guys, and one of them had an Outlaw Rampage Pro kit, and I saw it going around the track, and I didn't recognize what it was right away. Kind of an odd size, odd dimension truck. It caught my eye, and I really liked the looks of it, and it's been at the top of my list ever since. But of course, the kit is impossible to find right now. Kyosho radio. I believe I already got one of these. Same thing as the Chevelle came with. I hope this doesn't have the same electronics as the Chevelle had. The radio is nice. The wheels got kind of an odd angle to it, but for your fat fuck like me, it actually works out pretty good. It's a pretty comfortable radio to use. Sleek looking, lots of dials and buttons up top. It's got all the good settings on it. What do we got here? We got some replacement links, some body posts, standard tools, some body clips, bind plug, the shock plate things, inserts, whatever you want to call them, motherfuckers. The manual. I remember the old days, I didn't give a shit about a manual, but I get pretty mad if they don't have the information that I want in them. Oof. I just saw the build step of the transmission axle. I still don't like that, but full build instructions, the same manual that comes with the Pro Kit, if you can find one. I still do have an order in for one of them, so if they become available again, I'll have one on the way. Then I'll have two of these things. I did notice that the red version and the gold version have different front ends. Neither one of them is licensed, but one looks more like a Chevy or a Dodge, and the other one looks more like a Ford. Speaking of looking like a truck, let's get the sumbitch out here and see what we got. When I ordered it, I found it on my phone while I was fucking off at work one day. And I wasn't really excited about the red with black wheels, but then when I got home and I looked at it online with my laptop where I could actually get a better look at the pictures, I got a little more excited about it. I like the looks of it. Now is the moment of truth. Kind of like that red, it's a little on the dark side. That new car smells a lot better than the Sen was. Oh, that's a good looking rig. I still would like to have the chrome wheels and the chrome accents, but boy, the back is really super squishy. It's going to need a little more support than that. Pretty cool looking pre-runner truck. It's got the full cage in the back like a typical Baja rig. It's got some really cool looking front suspension. Puts me in mind of the Helion Rock Raider, whatever the hell it was, and the Veta Karoo. But it's a little bit longer wheelbase, a little narrower, more scale looking. It looks like a crawler body. The dimensions of it just remind me more of a crawler. I really like the way that suspension works. I love the way the A-arms are shaped. Definitely got to stiffen up the rear a little bit. These links are plastic. The upper links are metal. The shocks are hidden way up inboard. That's kind of unusual. I don't hate it though. And you see a little 540 motor way in the back there on that axle with the transmission and everything mounted to it. Well, let's get the body off there and see what we got. Not a fan of the skunk stripes. I never liked skunk stripes on anything. They belong on old Chevelles and Camaros and stuff like that, then that is it. But it doesn't look bad. With this shade of red, oh, you fuck. How the hell's that come off there? Is it ready to come off yet? Maybe I have to take the other things off. I don't know. Aw, you motherfucker. I think that needs to stay on there. I think I need to take the clips off that are underneath. A lot of extra body clips here. I'm a little confused. Let's take the two off underneath. Maybe that actually removes. I can't even get a hold of them bastards. They're really tucked up in there. They must hold the rear cage on. Come apart better now. What in the bloody fuck do I have to do to take the body off this thing to change the battery? I guess you just flip that up there. I don't want to bust it. I don't want to force the issue. I want to see the body off this thing, god damn it. I may have to cut part of this out. This is a pain right in the ass, I'll tell you what. I'm not sure how that'll go back on there after you take it off. Wow. No pain in the balls. Okay, got that one off. I don't know how I'm ever getting it back on there. But now the whole thing should slide out the back. Lord, I hope. Yay, we got the body off there finally. Oh, it's a weird looking thing. Centrally mounted electronic speed control that I don't know much about. Pretty small. It's got the jumpers to switch from, I'm assuming from LiPo to nickel metal. Yep. 2S capable. All plastic shocks. Threaded bodies for easy adjustment. They'll probably work okay. Kyosho is pretty well known for having good shocks. Cage is pretty rugged. The tires feel like garbage, but this thing isn't that powerful, so it shouldn't be a big issue. Sideways battery tray. I'm not sure that looks like it'll take a whole full-size battery. I'm not even sure how the hell it works. I might actually have to look at the book on some of this son of a bitch. Oh, I don't want to break it. There's a Dean's plug, mounted solid there by the speed control. plastic suspension links, all except for the upper rears. The front's look good. It'll probably be alright. Like I said, it doesn't go that fast. The bumper's got a little bit of give to it. The rear's got a bit of flex. I don't know what that's got in there for gears. Probably all plastic. Can't say for sure. I'll crank that suspension up a little bit. We'll see. Oh, a little bit of metal in the front there, the hinge pin brace. And they do see that they have this skid plate available separately in a metal polished look. Probably look pretty good on this rig. The wheels are pretty good, scale looking pieces. There it is. Kind of look forward to getting out and running this thing. See what she's all about. A little bit different than everything else. Wanted one a long time, now I can scratch it off the list. Hopefully the kit version is still coming. I guess that's it. Kind of ran out of steam on this one.